Namaste everyone, myself Dr. Suresh Zakad, Assistant Professor Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will be discuss about the study about the introduction of apiculture and importance of history. Insects are dominant animals on this earth. Typically, insects are though of harmful to man. However, hardly 1% of insect species fall within the blightless class. Advantage of insect in maintenance economy outweigh the injury infected. Honeybee are one amongst the few insects directly used to man. In the kingdom Animalia, honeybee belong to the phylum Arthropoda, class Hexapoda, order Hymenoptera, superfamily Opedia, and family Apidae. Honeybee is extremely valued food created by honeybee and it's continually used as the medications. Additionally to honey, different products like beeswax, pollen secretions, and bee woman also be are created by honeybee. More than the produce of those hive product, bee play a vital role in fertilization of plant, whereas aggregation their food from flower within the variety of nectar and spore. Pollination is the concern in a very chain of complicated event important to our economy. Fertilization by insect as well as honeybee is very important for ecological balance. Visitations by honeybee between distant varieties or cultivator promoter hybridization and facilities distribution. Populations of survived and their mutual deficiency and dependency has resulted into the nice degree of co-evolution. The science of rarely honeybee or apiculture is through as cultivations. We are learn he from these very little them dawns greater honeybee are allowed for we can learn have and also now discuss about their diligence, unity, self-scraphy, tolerance, division of labor. Even the foremost phase be string facility in healing muscle span and disease reduction in store level, such as an idle hobby, part-time business, full-time business. Honeybee of apiculture, primitively man wanted to rob bee colonies found within the cavities of hollow trees and on rocks and in ancient mud homes, and these can be still being followed by some tribes. There was no development in apiculture till 16th century. Proper apiculture started only if man started offering protection to colonies found within the nature. Idea to say bee in long hives has been reportable to come back from the fallen trees that are nested by the cavity nesting bee. Development of contemporary apiculture has its original between 15,000 and 1851. One survived tries were created to demonstrate be in survival sort or hives. However, one triple crown as the result of be hooked up their combs along yet on the wall of hive and combs needed had to be cut for honey. The discovery of the principle of bee areas in 1851 by L. Langstroth in USA resulted in the initial really movable frame hive. This bee area was 9.5 millimeter for the epismal area. Beekeeping in India. The discuss now beekeeping in India. In India, initial comment to be cap bees in movable frame hive was created in 1882 in geographical area and so in 1883 to 1884 in geographical area in southern Bharat. Rao Newton Thorvald 1911 to 1917 trained many beekeepers and divers to hive for auto Autochthonous bee Apicarnia spots principle of bee areas, which was namely when his name is Newton Hive. Beekeeping was constantly started within the Thorncroft state New Cochin in 1917 and Mysore in 1925, and in Himachal Pradesh fashionable apiculture with Autonococcus honey bee Apis cornelia started in 1934 at Kullu and in 1964 at Kangra. A gift is hive bee species are greeting and getting used in fashionable apiculture and hive of the honey or the additionally being collections from the white bee such as Apis dorsata and Apis florella. India is manufacturing roughly 70,000 metric planet of honey annually from all the four species of honeybees. Thank you.